Greetings, everybody. Just a bit of an update here. Not working on any bikes right now. Things are pretty thin. We took a little road trip. Softail Junky went on the road. We took the grandson back to Colorado when we drove. And once we got to Colorado, we drove over to Salt Lake City, Utah to the Monster Truck Jam World Championship or whatever, and it was really cool. We stayed in Park City, Utah, and that's where I picked up my new sporting hat. So it was a amazing drive across country. We've never been out west other than just flying across, and at 40,000 feet you don't see much. So it was an amazing drive, driving across the desert, driving across Texas. Getting into going up north from Texas, going up and through New Mexico and to Colorado that way. Just stunning scenery, beautiful. We made a detour here and there to do certain things. We went to Carlsbad Caverns and went to the missile range. White Sands, New Mexico missile range. Stopped at the base there, went to the museum. Went through New Mexico, of course, and then we stopped at Pistachio Land, which was really amazing. It was just, it's out in the middle of nowhere. This is a little bitty town, and there's this wonderful store, and it's just it's attraction, but it's good stuff in there. We bought some pistachios and had some ice cream, and it was a nice little stopover for a minute or two. And we just went through, and it took us 3 days driving, and I did most of the driving. It was fun. So this video is basically Softail Junky on the road, headed back to take the grandson back to home. So enjoy, like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thank you for all the subscribers, and hang tight. Well, Softail Junky here. We're on a family trip headed up to Colorado to take the grandson back to where they live, Colorado. And I had no idea that I would be stopping in Pistachio Land in Alamogordo. Well, the cool thing is that I just saw a video with Dirty Motorcycle Vagabond. He was just here not long ago. So I just like, we got to stop and check it out and grab some pistachios. And, you know, if I hadn't have seen it on the video, on his video, it wouldn't have meant the same to me. So we're here. We're gonna get some pistachios, and appreciate you. So here we are inside Pistachio Land, and this is where Joe was at when he was filming. And I did the lemon lime, everyone. Joe did the pickle, and here's the lovely Lena. Hello, Lena. And so we're about ready to go try some of the ice cream. Cheers, everybody. Hey, greetings, everyone. Softail Junky here from the University of Utah Stadium for the Monster Truck World Jam, whatever, the big show. This is a free show, so I'm doing it now because when it starts, you won't be able to hear it. Anyway, loving you guys. Cheers out. Greetings, everyone. Softail Junky here in Park City, Utah, at the oldest single family-owned Western retailer in the country, Zach?
In the U.S.
In the entire country, in Park City, Utah. I'm buying a brand new hat. And Zach is shaping it. So, Softail Junky gets a new hat. And the wife is not very happy about it, but she'll be fine. So anyway, cheers everyone. Love you guys. Stick with me. Talk to you later. Greetings everybody. Softail Junky here. We are in outside of Salt Lake at the Sparks Motors, which is Diesel Dave, as we all know. And of course the Freedom Bus is over there, and we went inside. We got some merch, and just got back from Black Rifle Coffee, and we all got coffeeed up here, and we're walking around. Of course, the bros aren't here. They're out doing their own filming. We came all the way from Panama City to see them. I don't know why they're not here to see us. So, but anyway, Softail Junky, loving you guys. Appreciate you. Stick with me.
I could take my sunglasses off.
Well, I don't know, maybe. So anyway, Softail Junky here, and we are in a gondola, a ski lift, and we're going to the top of the mountain here in Park City. And it's free to ride this during the off season. And of course, we're going to go up to the top, and there's coffee shops and restaurants, and it's the 4th of July weekend, so there's a concert and light show, all kinds of things up there. So we're going to enjoy that, and then have our fill of it, and then ride back down. Cheers, everybody.